Getting a DUI is not fun, especially if you've had more than one. But a first-time DUI, you'll find yourself, you're going to be charged with two statutes. There's one that says it's illegal to drive under the influence, and that's of alcohol or any other medication that affects your ability to drive reasonably. And the second way is driving with a blood alcohol level of 0.08 or higher, regardless of impairment. Most people get charged with both of these. The 0.08 and harder is for people who, think they can hold their liquor, but they're still over 0.08. The other one is people who are lightweights. They can't hold their liquor, one drink and they're drunk. They shouldn't be driving. Now, DUI is not just for alcohol. There's, for instance, what we call green DUIs, DUIs for cannabis. These are more difficult. With a standard alcohol DUI, you take the breathalyzer, you take a blood test, you take a urine test, and they determine your alcohol content. One thing, by the way, when you get your license, you give what's called implied consent to take a test. So if a cop pulls you over and asks you to take a blood, breath, or urine test and you say no, no matter what, you automatically will lose your license for a full year. So don't decline the test. As far as for cannabis and other drugs, there is not a baseline like there is for alcohol. And it doesn't work for cannabis because, alcohol goes through your system very, very quickly. You will basically metabolize about one drink per hour. Cannabis, on another, it's completely different. Cannabis can stay in your system for up to 90 days after you've last used it. And what the police are testing are not actual THC levels in your blood, but the metabolites that have been converted from THC. So that an experienced attorney who knows the law and understands cannabis can be very helpful in a cannabis DUI or green DUI situation.